Prophecy June 6, 2012. The effects of a major earthquake, stronger than the recent ones, will strike the region around Japan shortly. It is sure to happen.
August 10, 2012. Thus saith the Lord, my sign and wonders I show unto you. They will know that I am the Lord. I shall shake the earth. My signs and wonders. Wake up world. I shall shake the earth. Too late shall be your cry. I shall shake the earth and the things that are in it. I am arranging for my coming. I'm shaking for my coming. It's time to weep from Mount Zion. Judgment, nowhere to run, nowhere to run. There'll be a shift in the atmosphere. There'll be a turning in the galaxies. I'm sending from the north, the south, the east, the west, into the heart.
Revelation, August 11, 2012. Thus saith the Lord, there is a price to pay when you disregard my word. A price to pay when you disregard my prophets. A high price to pay when you disregard my servants. I will revisit those that disregard. Japan, I will revisit.
October 23, 2012. A powerful 5.9 magnitude earthquake struck the IZU Islands, Japan region, at a depth of 272.5 miles.